Hello guys, let's assemble this. Let's start from stegosaurus. Let's find the leg first. Here, very big dinosaurs. Let's put it on here. Then let's assemble this triceratops. We have triceratops heads here, and this is the body. Screw it with the screwdriver. 1 and 2. Nice. Now let's assemble the leg, the tail. 1 and 2. Okay, cool. Now the leg, and this is the front leg. But this is like a dragon T-Rex. Let's find the booster first. Booster, tighten the screw, and then let's do the same to the other side. Okay, cool. Tighten screw. Nice. Now let's assemble the hand. This is tiny hand. Cool. The other side. Nice. The last part is the leg. Nice. Don't forget to tighten the screw. Okay, cool. Move on to the other side. day guys. Thank you and see you to the end and next video.